making the top high-performance loading and forage transport wagons in the world even better. That is our motivation. The Krone ZX loading and forage transport wagon is now available with the new high-performance cutting unit. The OptiGrass cutting unit is the systematic further development of our technology and redefines cutting quality for the best forage quality. Krone OptiGrass is the key to your success in the stall. Neat and exact cutting as low as 28mm in length and optimum forage texture thanks to gentle and homogeneous conditioning from the first to the last stalk. Output, cut and consumption are optimum with OptiGrass. The ZX shortcut loading and forage transport wagon is available in 3 different sizes, from 43 to 56 cubic meters, either with or without discharge rollers. The Krone EasyFlow pickup ensures perfect forage intake and transfer to the cutting rotor. The uncontrolled pickup takes in the forage with a working width of 2.12 meters. The coiled tines, arranged in a W shape, pull the forage along the width even before the rotor. The hydraulic drive of the pickup ensures ideal adjustment of the tine speed to the relevant harvesting conditions. For perfect ground adjustment, the EasyFlow pickup has a floating suspension with electrostatic relief. The rear guide wheels ensure optimum ground tracking, even in difficult harvesting conditions. The core element of the new ZX series is the cutting unit. A width of 1.95 meters ensures perfect utilization of the loading space, and the rotor diameter of 88 centimeters guarantees an enormous output capacity for the Krone harvesting professionals. The blades, positioned on the conveyor holding surfaces, ensure an exact pulling shear cut, which saves energy and preserves forage texture. Wide conveyor holding surfaces made of extremely rugged case hardening steel not only ensure a long service life for the rotor, but also handle forage gently. The outer 22 centimeters of the integral rotor are equipped with augers, which actively convey crops towards the center of the rotor. Thanks to interaction with the Krone split-cut system, no long stalks pass through the ZX, even in the edge area of the rotor. To ensure this, the crop flow on the outermost blade is split up and conveyed back to the front by means of clearing tines. Baffle plates guide the material centered to the rotor, where it is cut again. With split cut, no more crops make their way into the loading space. Exact cutting quality along the entire width. The wide rotor guarantees maximum throughput. This is made possible by the planetary gearbox installed in the rotor. The belt drive concept of the Krone power belt transfers PTO shaft output up to 430 horsepower and allows for extremely high throughput. The power belt drive absorbs peak loads and features impressive quiet running and especially low wear. The entire drivetrain is secured with 3,000 Newton meters. The intelligent rotational speed concept first increases the input speed and reduces it in the planetary gearbox. This lowers the torque and reduces wear on the components. The exchangeable belt pulleys are unique on the loading and forage transport wagon market. The 2 belt pulleys can be exchanged quickly in just a few steps to adapt the rotational speed of the rotor. 47 revolutions per minute for a lot of forage and voluminous swaths, or 40 revolutions per minute for wheat growth and smaller swaths. This ensures uniform forage packages under all conditions, perfect pre-compression, and thus optimum cutting quality. With the new high-performance cutting unit, you can choose between 2 equipment versions. With 54 blades, the OptiGrass 28 ensures a shortcut as low as 28mm. Using 40 blades with OptiGrass 37, you can achieve a theoretical cutting length of 37mm. The Krone OptiGrass cutting unit offers not only an optimum cutting pattern, but also incomparable comfort. For easy blade changing, the blade cassette swings to the left out of the side of the vehicle. Central locking makes it easy and quick to remove the blades. The blades are protected individually against foreign objects as a standard feature. With the Krone Speed Sharp option, you can sharpen all blades automatically in less than 5 minutes, at a perfect angle and with constant contact pressure. A perfect sharpening process and optimum cutting quality for the best forage. The scraper conveyor, with rugged flat-link chain, is lowered down 35 centimeters to the rotor. This reduces the conveying height and saves significant energy. To adapt to different harvesting conditions, the driver can adjust the pivoting front wall from the cabin. This ensures ideal pre-compression and the best cutting quality. Filling is simplified by the PowerLoad automatic loading system. Sensors on the front wall measure the baling force and the filling level in the loading and forage transport wagon to regulate the scraper conveyor. This maintains a constant pressure in the loading space to ensure a maximum load and top efficiency. For a better overview of the current filling level in the wagon, this is displayed on the operating terminal. This helps not only for loading, but also for uniform unloading at the silo. Sward protection is an important basis for the next harvest. Because of this, the running gears of the ZX are designed for the greatest possible distribution of loads. Hydraulic axle assemblies in tandem or tridem versions ensure ideal sward protection and excellent driving stability. Large tyres up to 30.5 inches and intelligent self-steering or forced steering protect the sward. Extensive additional equipment, including the loading space cover and a weighing device, make the Krone ZX the all-round harvesting professional. The integrated silage additives unit, a 200L capacity and 4 flat-stream nozzles, ensures optimum preservation of your forage. In terms of software, the Krone ZX always comes prepared for a central lubrication unit. The premium LED lighting package is a standard feature of the ZX. Whether you are in the field doing maintenance or inside, your ZX is always perfectly lit. The operation device is based on ISOBUS. You decide which operation device meets your requirements. For maximum handling comfort, numerous automatic functions are available. Krone ZX with OptiGrass promises a neat cut, optimum texture, and uniform conditioning for your forage. Perfectly coordinated technologies bring together maximum performance, peak efficiency, and previously unachieved operating safety for your harvest. Of course, Krone ZX loading and forage transport wagon are also an ideal choice for agricultural and forestry transport applications outside of the grassland season.